Find which orientation of the canister works best for you when loading the sock. You could put it between your legs, across your lap, straddling your thigh, or on a tabletop. If you need extra grip to put the sock on the canister, try using rubber-coated gloves or the rubber end of a dressing hook to help push it on. Lotion also helps if your hands are dry. The hook on the dressing aid can be used for picking clothing off the clothing rack by hooking the rubber end under the hanger for taller closets. Sock remover tip. Catch the edge of your sock to push the sock down. For longer or stiffer socks, you might want to peel it off in layers, like this. Shoehorn tongue trick. Using the back of the shoehorn, lift the tongue of the shoe and slide your toes in, then turn it around, put it in the back of your shoe and slide down. These extensions are interchangeable. Whether you're in a wheelchair, you're sitting on a bed, or you're standing up, you can make them shorter or longer. We went from this to this. Pull the canister up and down to take the sock up the leg, or use the dressing hook or your hands to finish pulling socks up.